Hi friends, we're having a Panasonic microwave repaired today. The microwave arrived with a problem. It starts sparking when turned on. Let's take a look at the mica. As you can see, it's completely dirty and needs to be cleaned. You also need to remove the magnetron and check the condition of the cap. It's located behind the mica, so the microwave will need to be disassembled. Everything underneath the mica also needs to be cleaned, as it's all greasy and very dirty. I've removed the cover, and we can now see the magnetron. We need to unscrew it and remove it. Now you can see the condition of the magnetron cover. As you can see, there's a small amount of carbon deposits. You need to sand it off. There are no holes on the cap, so it should still work. I cleaned the cap, and now you can see it's in almost new condition. Now we need to put the magnetron back in place. We also cleaned the microwave. Now it's clean inside. The mica was also thoroughly cleaned of any grease. Now we need to replace the mica and put the cover back on the microwave. Let's check the microwave. I put a mug of water in it. The owner brought it to me for repairs when the problem was first detected, which is a good thing, because if he had continued using it, the consequences would have been much more dire. He would have had to replace the cap and mica, which would have significantly increased the repair cost. I hope the video was helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. See you soon.